This is the installation of a Generlink system. A Generlink new hydro meter collar will supply power to your complete electrical circuit breaker panel during a power outage by using your gas-powered generator. Then you'll be able to select your critical circuits during a power outage, such as your furnace, your microwave, your kitchen outlets, your fridge, and your deep freeze, those kinds of examples. It's a very affordable system to be used during a power outage. No inside the home wiring is required, which is great, and it only takes about 5 minutes to connect up your generator to your Generlink, which comes with a weatherproof outlet. Plug it in, turn your generator on, and select the circuits in your electrical panel that you want running until Utilities restores power to the grid. And away you go until the next power outage. Call now for a free demonstration.